Hi guys, welcome back. We're looking today at how you can edit your Facebook profile and update information on your Facebook page. Right, so let's get into it. So first things first, you have to go to facebook.com and log in. And then if you want to update your information, first thing you can do is you can click on edit bio. And this is some information about you. Sometimes it might be blank. Let's just say this is blank. And it will say something like describe who you are. You don't have many characters. You've only got 101 characters. So one thing you can do is you can actually count the characters in something like Excel. I'll show you that in another video, or you can just type, "Hi, my name is Jake. I'm like social media and I don't know, watching movies," or something like that. Otherwise, if you've got something that you've already written, which is a bit better than that, you can copy and paste. So in this scenario, I'm going to highlight the information here, press delete. I'm going to paste in the information I've already written. I'm just going to make it a bit shorter. Then click save. So that's the first thing, that's how to update your bio. You can also share it, which create a post out of the updated information, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to click skip. You can also edit where you work. I actually work at Meta, which is the company that owns Facebook. You can also edit the other details here, such as where you work. You can add a workplace just by clicking here, add workplace. You can also add a college where you studied, add a high school, and other things. If you want to look at the other things you can add, places you've lived, contacts and basic information, and family relationships and other things. So that's how you can edit your profile. If you ever want to go back, you can just delete everything at the top here, and we'll get back and just put facebook.com, and we get back to the main profile page, and you can just click on your name at the top. Takes a bit of time. Here we go. And I can go and take a look at my profile. It's been updated with the intro, and you've got some information about yourself here. You can also edit hobbies. That's something else you can do. If you want to add your hobbies, you can. I've put just some random stuff in here that I like, but you can always add a hobby in. It says, what do you do for fun? So I don't know, YouTube might be one of them. I don't think it is. Video games, there you go. And there's some little icons. You can just click what you like. Vlogging, maybe. So vlogging. And then click save. You can actually make these things private as well in the settings. I'm not going to look at that in this video, but make sure to subscribe to see all my other videos about how you can update your profile. If you are looking at just doing the basics, what I'd suggest is making sure you've got the right name, a profile picture, a bio, and then and that's basically it. I'd say the bio and your name is the most important thing, and a photo. But you can always add a little bit of information like where you studied and where you work maybe, or some of your hobbies. You can also add photos. I'll look at that in another video, but I hope this has been helpful. I hope to see you guys in one of my next videos. Take care. Thanks.